that you text me. Okay, Greenfield love, no problem. Because I think you can hear from my accent that I'm actually not an English speaker. Right. True. What do you mean Thai side? Thank you. Thank you. It's 202052. Oh, what do you mean? No, I won't do that.